Hello, 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 hello. I'm back. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Kinain yung RAM ko, guys, eh. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. I'm back. So I think that's a good idea. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sorry, sorry. So I restreamed, no? Para bumalik tayo sa sa sirkulasyon. All right. You still there, guys? Nawala na yung viewers. Hello, 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 hello. Wait lang, wait lang. Nadidinig nyo pa ba ako? Hello, hello, hello. I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Binuksan ko kasi yung Goland, eh. Tingin ko kasalanan nito, eh. All right. Okay na. Sorry, kinain nung ano yung RAM, eh. Ay, nag-shutdown yung stream ko. Yan, 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 yan. Okay. All right. So anyway, I will not run that again. I tried that when I was offline. So siguro dahil nga yung kumakain din ng resources yung Olama and sabay-sabay. So I think it's not a good idea to run simultaneously. Pero that's the idea. So you can run, you can chat with the model the same time. Mm. Yun. So yun yung sinasabi ko earlier na you have to use your own resources. No. So, like my machine, I also stream, so medyo kumakain ng RAM. Mm. So, thank you for staying. So, hindi ako nag-quit. Nag-ano lang talaga. Ano mo lang talaga tawag doon. Sumabit lang talaga yung RAM natin. Baka pwede mag-donate ng RAM dyan. Baka lang. Alright. So anyway, LM Studio also has an API. So it also has a API like this. You can run a start server. Tapos you can also call it like Llama. So like the one earlier. So pwede natin i-run tong start. Para natatakot na tuloy mag-run. So you can call the start server. Then you can call it. Anyway, that's the idea. So I will not run this anymore because it might stop my stream again. So basically, it's gonna eat up your RAM. Pero yun nga, it's the same. So if you want to say llama here, so if I want to, this is the this is the 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 API call. So same din, no? So if you want to call like llama 3 here, ganon. So it's the same way as the what is the Olama. So the nice thing about this is yung mga library, the libraries that you are using, like the OpenAI library, like there's also a Vercel. If you're not familiar with, if you're using TypeScript or JavaScript, you can use their Vercel AI SDK. So if you see here, you can see that you can use their SDK to call OpenAI or uh, any LLM. Kasi I figured that they also support they also support the open AI way of calling their own LLM. Let's say all the Llama 3. So you can use the same, you just need to change the model and point to a different URL. Then it will already work. So it's very cool because maybe they realize that it's not just gonna be open AI. So what the other LLMs did, hey, let's let's just support the open AI way also, the library. So when you call the completions, it's also the same way. So if you're in TypeScript or using TypeScript, you can use the Vercel AI SDK to call the APIs, you know. Pero syempre, you have to host your LLMs. Yeah. Yeah, so yon, so I think LM Studio is not open source. Correct me if I'm wrong. I haven't I haven't even I didn't see a open source repository for this LM Studio. But they have a open source LMS, the LM Studio CLI. But I noticed that if you're running the LMS Studio CLI, it's still gonna run the LM Studio, which I don't think I'm not sure if that's even a feature. So iraran niya yung itong LM Studio, which you don't want if you're running it in a server, right? Ayaw mo nun kasi, 'di ba? Paano ka mag-run if it's in Linux, 'di ba? Will it run a UI, no? So yan, so may hindi ito LM Studio CLI. Ito. So pwede mo rin siya orchestrate using command line. Let's say LMS status, ganyan. I think I have it installed here. Ganyan. So if you want to start the server, LMS server start ganyan. Medyo weird lang kasi kailangan niya pa rin yung yung app. Ayan. Basically, ang ginawa nitong CLI is it run the server this. So you can call it using curl. So i-open niya yung API. Jologs yung terminal ko. Tine-terminate niya. Anyway, it's the same way as yung yung Olama din. So API lang din. So yung mga hindi pa nakagamit ng AI, it's just APIs also. There's nothing really fancy about it. The only difference is the streaming. It streams the content. Yung effect na it's sending like chunks of data. It's because of the streaming. So if you say stream through, because AI it still needs time to think. So if you say stream through, so it will send you chunks of data. So you don't have to wait until the last final response. So yun lang yung niya, yung difference niya. Mm. So kaya yung streaming is gamit na gamit sa APIs of LLMs like that. Mm. All right. I think that's about it for the chat models. Meron pa ako nakita kaya lang hindi na siya maintained. Ito ba yun? So I think wag niyo na gamitin. Oh, ito pala maintained. There's another one I saw that it's not maintained. There's this Jan also. Pero I don't like it. It's not so nice. Pero if you want to try out, you can also try it out. Jan yung tawag. Jan. Jan HQ. So, hindi rin maganda yung chat interface niya. Mukha siyang Hugging Face pero for chat, I don't think it's a nice interface. Tapos, if you want to integrate yung chat nyo, there's the Next.js AI chatbot code. This one. Just download this. So, ito, available siya sa GitHub. You can download this and use it. I also have a blog post about this. Hindi na makita. Nawala. Anyway, I have a blog post about it, how to install the tool. Or maybe it's not here. Nawala siya. Pero anyway, it's the same tool. So, pwede ka mag-chat dito. Kaya lang you have to log in. So, who is Kim G1? Ganyan. Oh, I think prinamp na nila na stock trading lang. No? Okay. So, you can use this open source siya. You can download it and run your own UI for your chat. That's it. Okay. So, I think we're done for the LLMs. Sino yung nasa Philippines ngayon? Wala pa raw Meta AI dyan. So, let's try to see what Meta AI is. As promised, after the stream of this too. Meta AI. So, Meta AI, we can access Meta AI using meta.ai. So, alternative to ChatGPT. So, what is the difference between Meta AI and ChatGPT? ChatGPT, if you're using the free version, it doesn't have the web search and it doesn't have the image generation. Meta AI have both. So, if you want, if you chat and you want it to access the web or the internet to search for information before answering you, you can use Meta AI for that. So let's try to create a new conversation. So what do you want to ask? Let's say yung the recent K-drama, Queen of Tears. Let's try ChatGPT first. Let's see if it knows about it. Who is the actress in Queen of Tears? Lead actress and actor. Sana wag siya mag-search na internet, no? Kasi, I think wala naman kasi. Tamang bagal na ng ChatGPT, di ba? So, to save time, tanong na rin natin dito kay Meta AI. So, what it does is it's searching the web for information. So, kita mo, the lead actor and actress in the K-drama Queen of Tears are Kim So-yoon and Kim Ji-won. Tapos, meron din siyang sources. Para siyang Perplexity. So, meron siyang, let's say, ito yung pinagkuhanan niya ng information. So, pag tinik mo yan, nagsasearch siya sa web before answering the question. Kasi by default, alam na niya. Feeling ko nag-search to sa internet eh. Meron sa Wikipedia. Oh. Okay, so nasagot din yan. Pero I don't think nag-search siya sa internet. So Meta AI did search the internet. Pero actually, you see, meron din siyang results, no? Oh, nagsa-search na siya, no? Try natin GPT 3.5. Kasi baka merong internet yung 0.4. Yeah, so if you look at 3.5, walang access sa internet. You just answer Queen of Tears is a fictional title. It means that it's not in its knowledge yet. Yun. So Meta AI can answer. So tanong natin kung ba break na ba si natalo na yung aking Marites AI. So, yan. Wala na. Hindi na siya nag-search, no? So, hindi pa rin siya perfect. Talo siya ni ChatGPT, yung custom GPT ko. Marites AI. Tagalog pa ang sagot nito. Pero ito, I ask it to query the internet, no? So, yun yung parang difference nung Meta AI sa ChatGPT. Ito yung paid version custom GPT. Yan, so let's do the custom GPT session next time. I will show you how to make a custom GPT. Pero this one need to be a paid version. So you can configure a GPT later on. Anyway, going back to Meta AI, we can also let it imagine pictures. Let's say Korean, let's say Philippine warrior in the mountains. So ChatGPT for free don't have this feature called image generation. So Meta AI have that feature. So ito libre, no? So it's free. So you really don't need to pay for it. There's another cool features that it has, which you can animate the picture. Pero yung animation niya is just it's just gonna change the orientation. Let's say Singapore City. Imagine. If you want to create a GIF, pwede na yun kasi GIF din yun, I think. Yan, tapos pag inanimate mo, yan, kita nyo. Di ba? Okay, di ba? Very cool. Sa Gemini, nagsusearch din po siya sa web. Tapos kaya niya i-access yung emails mo. And assist to just a reply sa specific email. Oh yeah, may Google, may Google AI. So, yeah, I tried it before, yeah. Mas magaling na ngayon kasi they learned from the others. Thank you, Markoy. So if you see, pwede rin mag-animate. You can also access the original generation on the previous tab. Yeah. Yeah, tapos, I think, yeah, that's it. So it also has a history here. You just use your Facebook account to access it. Kumita niya meron na like, may Facebook account ako dito na nakalogin. Then you can also have your history here. Then you can also delete your history. You can rename it like that. Very cool. All right. I think that's it for the stream. I hope you enjoyed or you learned something about our session today. May natutunan ba? Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Para ganahan tayo uli mag-stream, guys. May natutunan ka ba, Morkoy? Pwede ko ulitin yung session, Morkoy, no, for your StuDev PH if you want. Pwede ko i-demo ulit sa inyo if you want. May mga nakaline up pa ako ng mga stream topics. I will stream every Tuesdays. Around this time also kasi gabi. And I think sana ma-invite natin yung mga ibang students to learn. Hindi ko alam, baka masyadong technical. Maybe I can make it simpler. Yung mga podcast kasi napansin ko madami na ring gumagawa. So, I'm not sure if it's gonna be valuable for you guys also. I'll try to invite Franz. Nandiyan ka pa ba, Franz? Yung mga e-heads, engineering managers, interviewin natin. No? Para matuto kayo on the higher level naman. Hindi yung sa developer level lang. Ayun. Buhay pa. Boss, e-heads. E-heads means engineering heads. So, meron silang group. You can follow them in LinkedIn. LinkedIn France, no? Or Facebook. You can follow them in LinkedIn and Facebook. They organize events also for engineering managers or CTOs. Medyo mga higher level sa atin. Ganun. Yaya, post mo dito. Pwede ba mag-post dito? Sige, try mo i-post yung URL. Okay lang sa akin. Paki-promote na rin yung StuDev PH. Mokoy, can you send the link here? StuDev PH is a formal organization ba yan or Facebook group na nag-aano tawag dito yung teka lang yon Facebook group na nag-encourage na mga new developers or shifters, career shifters. Yeah. Okay. Show off ko lang yung setup ko, no? Pinaghirapan ko yan. yeah. So, yan yung setup ko. So, okay, I think I'll gonna read. Dito na lang magbabasa ng comments. Para medyo nakaharap ako sa inyo. FB group, sir. Kasali po kayo. Yeah, kasali ako doon. Sana ma-invite natin yung mga students. Mag-AI course din ako, Makoy. Baka interested kayo. So, I don't know, siguro mura lang para or for free siguro kung maraming a-attend, 'di ba? Okay lang sa akin. Kahit mga 1-hour session, 2-hour session, ganyan, okay lang. Just to help. Nag-quit na pala ako sa trabaho ko. I quit my work and I'm gonna do this full time. Hopefully, I can teach in a course. I'm creating this new course. But I don't want to target the technical guys. This session is very, very technical. I want to target those that are using it for everyday use or for productivity, AI. Thank you, Creams. Si Ralph ba to? Ralph. So, yun. So, hopefully makatulong and I'm gonna stream. I also wanna do a co-working stream wherein I'll just, hang around. If you have questions, you can come in and ask me. If you're bored with your work, if you're doing it remotely, you can chat with me. No. So, kumbaga parang Pomodoro time. Like focus for 1 hour, ganon. So, I'll just, maximize my setup. Pwede ko pakita sa inyo, kaya lang meron ba akong mic dito? So, ganito yung parang idea ko, ganyan. Yan. Tapos, meron tayong music. Ganon. So, let's say, play music. Ganito yung style, no? Yan. Kung nanonood kayo ng Twitch, parang may mga ganyan na stream. So, pwede kayo makipag-chismisan sa akin. Kung may tanong kayo technical, can ask me. Ganon. Yan, ganito na setup. Yan. Mukhang gamit nyo po, sir, yung NVIDIA na tool para sa eyes. Oo nga. Yung eye, anong tawag doon? Yung palaging nag-eye contact sa camera. Ganun. Yeah. Pero medyo nakakatakot lang din kasi minsan nakatingin ako sa somewhere tapos nakatingin pa rin sa camera yung mata ko. Yeah. Pabuti ko lang ng 10 o'clock. For those who want to stay in, can chit-chat. Yan, ganyan. Dinig nyo pa naman ako, no? Yeah. Try nyo yun, NVIDIA Broadcast. Allow. Ba't bullying daw yun? Kaya nga po napansin ko ngayon, sir. NVIDIA Broadcast, ito yun. Wala na pala akong ano. Basta Google nyo lang NVIDIA Broadcast. Tapos, meron siyang change background. Yung kanina nakita nyo, di ba? Change background yun. Tapos, meron siyang yung enhance yung voice. Remove background noise. Tapos, yun nga yung scary part, yung eye contact all the time. Damot po na NVIDIA, sir. Ayaw magpagamit sa Mac. Oo nga, may Mac din ako eh. So, hindi ko talaga pwedeng gamitin pang stream din yung Mac kasi wala nga siyang ganung tool. Kasi sa GPU yun, Morkoy eh. Hindi kasi naka-NVIDIA yung Mac. Parang proprietary sa NVIDIA yung ginawa nila na ano na yun, na tool. Salamat sa thank you for all those who attended this session. Maybe later I can do a shorter session. You can just follow me here in Twitch because Twitch have notification if I go live. Because sometimes I go live ad hoc basis. If I wanna do something or do a co-working stream like this one. Like ito, ang ganitong setup. Wherein I just chill, do my stuff, do my work, ganyan. Matanda na tayo. And mukhang Eraserheads fans din po sila, Sir Franz. Oo nga, alam mo ba, Morkoy? Napanood ko pa ang Eraserheads ng libre sa UP noon, Diliman. Nung freshman kami, tumugtog sila sa freshman concert namin. For free. Anong year yon, Franz? It also helps me if you chat. Because Twitch, this account is not yet an affiliate. So if you chat, it's gonna help my, how do you call it, yung number of chatters. Okay ba yung setup natin na ganito? Yung medyo... Dinig nyo ba yung music? Yung music. '90s, yes. 1994 to be exact. I was first year college. Yan, so ganyan lang, chill. Yun. Ginamit ko yung, I'm using a chill pop, I think. Music. Tuloy na kaya to sa gaming stream. Ano sa tingin nyo? Don Vito Codes nag-gaming. Meron ako isa pang channel. You can follow. It's in my description. Don Vito GG naman. Saan ka nagsuschool ka pa, Morkoy? Nagsuschool ka pa ba? Pa-connect naman ako dun sa StudDev PH. Nagbabalorant ka ba? Nagbabalorant ako, pabuhat. Anong rank mo? Silver lang ako eh. Nag-focus ako sa programming career. Pag kailangan mo ng advice, Morkoy, message mo lang ako. For free. Gusto ko lang mag-reach out sa mga like the students and those who want to shift. Programming, yeah. Okay yung programming. Very lucrative. Kaya wala akong work. Hindi dahil natanggal ako or something. I left the job just to maybe, yun nga, yung passion ko to try teaching itong mga bagong technology. Of course, para din yung I can upgrade myself also. You guys can connect with me in LinkedIn. Let me drop my LinkedIn. Drop ko yung LinkedIn ko. Hold on. LinkedIn. Sayang stream natin, no? Naputol eh. Ito yung LinkedIn ko. Try to add me para makakonect tayo. Yan. Add me in LinkedIn. Makonect tayo professionally. Marami pa akong nakapila na stream eh. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung ano ko. Buksan ko yung aking Notion, no? Gumagamit pala ako ng Notion. Yung meron siyang AI din eh. Pakita ko in one of the streams. Yung mga nakapila ko na topics. Yan. Ito yung unang topic natin, yung running chat AI models. Yan. Tapos automation ng workflow. I'm not sure, medyo technical ba to? Parang, should I make it simpler? Minsan gusto ko mag-chat na lang with ChatGPT online eh. Tapos I make it as content. I also do OpenAI with Java and Spring Boot for the Java developers. Franz, okay ba to? OpenAI with Spring Boot. Also, game programming. Ito, one of my friends requested is Snip. Game programming with Godot or Unity. Tas 11 labs, no, how you can clone your voice. So yan. Tapos yun, other days, I think, since I want to do some applications also, I'll just do the co-streaming. Yung ganito na setup. Nakita ko kasi parang baka minsan wala akong ipe-present or i-code or nahihiya akong mag-code. I was thinking I do that for those who want to ask questions or free. Tsaka for those who want to talk only, ganun. O nakausap sa remote work, 'di ba? Sino naka-remote work dito? Tagal na ako hindi nagja-Java. Nako, ako pa. Tanungin mo ako kung gaano katagal na hindi na. Natutulog na po ang LinkedIn profile ko, sir. Pasensya na. Sige, add mo lang ako sa Facebook. Yung LinkedIn profile, gawin mo ng AI. Generate a profile for me. Pwede, Franz. Dude, meron akong channel sa Discord. Dear Don Vito. Love advice. Pwede, no? Minsan, love stream tayo. Doon sa isang channel. Wag dito, I think. Salamat for still sticking with us. Kahit nagla-lurk, okay yan. I'm gonna stream more often. Siguro, I don't know. 3 days a week. Ganyan. Kahit walang topic, ganyan lang, chill lang. Kasi minsan may mga gusto kong gawin privately din. So baka hindi ang tawag doon. Hindi ko ma-stream yung yung content. Yung screen ko, ganun. Ganda po ng topics ni Sir Don and Boss Rod. Si Boss Rod, fan ako ni Boss Rod. Nanonood ako sa kanya. Kasi gusto ko rin matuto ng React, ng web development. I'm not a web developer. So, I want to learn yung Next.js, yung JavaScript. Ganyan. Medyo nakakaintindi ako, pero yung deep knowledge, no, hindi ako masyadong familiar sa JavaScript or Next.js. Nakakapag-run ako ng app, pero pag tinanong mo na ako about it or may complicated na part, I'm not able to answer. I mean, also there was this one issue na hinahanap ko before. Wow, it took me like 2 days, I think. I don't know, yung Visual Studio Code is not so it's not so easy to navigate. Or maybe I also don't know how to use it. That's it. No? Follow nyo rin si Sir JP. Sir JP Lazaro is also in Singapore, Facebook. I'm trying to move them to Twitch para marami kami sa Twitch na Pinoy. Kasi napansin ko, I don't know, sa programming, I think wala akong nakita ibang Pinoy, puro nasa Facebook. Pero yung mga game streamers kasi, nasa Twitch na sila lahat, even AWS, no? Punta kayo sa... Meron akong mga suggested channels dyan. Si Tio, yung one of the React developers, I think. Tapos si Primagen. Tapos si AWS, every katulad kagabi, teka lang, hanapin ko lang yung channel nila, no? If you go to my description sa aking channel, meron mga suggested channels dyan na pwede nyo i-follow. I'm sorry. Where is it? Yung sa about? Is it about? Ito. Don Vito Code suggests these streamers. So if you go to the twitch.tv/AWS, kahapon nakapanood ako, so that's Monday. Every Monday, Thursday. Follow nyo lang, just follow that channel, AWS channel. You're gonna be able to watch really good content, man, on generative AI hosted by AWS employees or developers. Tapos Primagen, if you wanna get entertained, also learn yung mga what is new in the tech industry. It's also entertaining. May kaboses siya, I can't remember. Guys, if you haven't followed, just click that follow button below. Yeah, really helps. My PC setup, ito PC setup. I have a Asus ROG monitor on the left. Andyan din yung aking setup sa aking sa about. Tapos I have the Acer sa right. So ROG ko is for gaming. Tapos I have, I don't know, 3 keyboards here. One Keychron, one Logitech, then one Razer. Tapos I have this nice lamp na bigay nung kaopisina ko si Chong Sun. Thank you for giving me this lamp. Okay pala to, late night stream, no? Ganito lang, chill. I can turn up the music, no? Okay din, nakaka-relax eh. Pag patulog na kayo, you can listen to me. I'm based in Singapore, by the way. Wala ako sa Philippines eh. I don't know how long will I survive here without work. I-chill muna ako dito. Makapaglaro pa kaya ako. 10 o'clock pa lang naman. 10:30 siguro. 10:30. Welcome to the stream for those who just joined. We just finished a good session on chat AI model. Okay. My tech in my work is main language ko is Golang. So it's a back-end language. So ang work ko is creating APIs. Then I connect to a Postgres database. So ang gamit namin is AWS for our deployments, our services. We use Docker also. Nabanggit mo Docker, no? Docker gamit namin. We're using Elastic Container Service. Tapos ano pa ba? We use Elasticsearch also. We use queues, yung parang Kafka. Elastic ano ba tawag doon? Elastic ECS. Oh no, not ECS. Ano ba tawag doon? Merong queuing yung AWS eh. Nakalimutan. 2 weeks pa lang nakalimutan na eh. So yun, mostly AWS yung stock namin. Tapos yun nga, I also did implementation of AI. Yung i-google mo like Homer GPT. Ako yung back-end engineer na gumawa nun. Yung APIs nun. So we also use yung Lambdas, no? AWS Lambda. AWS bill reveal. Wow, I think that's around, I don't know. Can I disclose that? PM ko sa'yo. Pero yeah, it's hard to... It's costly. Depende rin sa gamit, no? Yung AWS or GCP. Because, for example, our data team before, they're spending more than our AWS bill. Kasi they use a lot of machine learning stuff. Hey Franz, pwede bang business yan yung how to cut your AWS bill? There's a service yung AWS. Meron silang consultant. You just give them access to your organization. Tapos sila nang bahala magsabi na may mga suggestions sila, you cut down on this. I'm not the one who did it for us. So meron kaming solution architect before who kind of like did an inventory, then just told us, oh, you need to shut down. You need to lessen your storage. You need to shut down some services like that. Para bumaba yung AWS bill. Pero I think, ewan ko, yung iba kasi mas nadadalian sa GCP. Ako naman parang hindi ko type yung GCP. Pero, I think middle ground yata yung Azure. Maganda yata yung Azure. Yeah, I haven't tried, pero sabi nila meron daw $200 credits pag nag-sign up ka sa Azure. Parang AWS free tier yata yun. Kaya lang free tier kasi parang ano siya yung meron lang threshold per service, diba? Pero yung let's say yung nawala na yung ating music. Hold on Ads pala to, guys. Sorry. So yun, yung GCP, I think nagbibigay din siya ng $300 if you sign up, first time sign up. Tapos yung Azure is $200. Marami nagme-message sa akin ng ganyan. They'll reduce my cloud costing daw, tapos their fee is percentage of savings. Hindi ako familiar to do that, right? Pero wala akong work ngayon, so pwede natin rakitin yan kung gusto mo. Pero takot pa rin ako gumalaw ng production. Kahit yung mga dati kong staff. Ayokong ginagalaw eh. Yung ano, kasi baka mag-down, gano'n. Ewan ko, takot lang siguro. Pero, I don't know, dahil sa age yata yun. Ano, Franz, rakitin natin yan. Gusto mo? Rakitin natin. Ano pang gusto mo malaman, Morkoy? Sa Standard Chartered kami yung nag-implement ng Docker. At least sa department namin. GCP na ako for the longest time. Di na ako familiar sa AWS. Turuan mo ako ng GCP. Oo nga, parang ayoko na rin ng AWS kasi pag nag-startup ka or may idea ka, it will be costly in the long run. Or Azure, no? Gusto mo Azure? Aralin natin Azure. May kilala ko nag-Azure eh. Magaling mag-Azure. Pinapanood ko rin si Learn with John. Follow mo rin yun, Morkoy. Learn with John. Taga Netherlands naman yun si ano. Thank you for staying, guys. May work ka ba, Franz? Mukhang graveyard ka. Tapos, paano kung hindi ko tapusin yung stream? Hindi ko matutulog. Okay lang, pre. Na-maximize ko lang yung viewers. Nandito pa sila. Baka meron pang gusto magtanong eh. Racket tayo, Franz. Usap tayo minsan. Wala akong work eh. Kung meron tayong racket dyan. Pwede ba yung consulting gagamitan na lang natin ng AI? Matanda na yata ako. Parang mas matanda ka pa sa... Ay, mas matanda pa ako sa iyo eh. Nababurnout na rin ako kahit ano. Wala masyadong ginagawa. Hindi ko alam. Parang yung tech sa akin... Gusto ko yung parang nagpi-POC na lang, ganun. Pero pagdating sa parang implementation, parang hindi ko na masyadong madali akong siguro yung gusto ko mabilisan lang yung window ko na para mapagana ko yun. Ganun. Yeah. Chill tayo minsan. Maganda yung mga yung higher level. Like itong AI, pwede natin i-consult. Pero may kausap ako, they want me to be a consultant. But want to do a bit of implementation. Kasi I've been there eh. Yung consulting na merong like you do the first cut. Kung walang tao, mahirap. I don't know. Parang it's worse than working for them, I think. Fractional CTO. How do I learn this fractional CTO thing? Si Kit ganyan eh. Si Kit Rule, yung friend ko sa US. Parang 2 months, 3 months lang ganyan. No? Pero I think I have to read a book or something. How to do it. Tapos I have to connect din. No? Ayun. Parang if you need something to start with, ganon, build a team. Parang ganon yata yun, no? Sige, sige. Pa-mentor ako sa inyo. Medyo ano rin ako. Nag-programmer kasi ako for like 4 years after Stanchart. Hindi ako nakapag-connect masyado sa... I'm looking at the iPad, kaya nandun yung mga comments niyo. So, medyo nakatingin ako sa baba. I hope you understand. Okay din tong iPad, no? Parang... Fractional CTO. Meron ako papakita sa inyo. No? I created a custom GPT. Let me change my screen. Pampawala na antok mo, Franz. Yan. So, I created a custom GPT. Let me open my... Puro kalokohan tong ginagawa ko na ano eh. Itong Marites AI. So, I created a GPT called Virtual CTO. So, I can ask is, let's say, what are the latest trends in AI, for example? So, yan. So, kaya lang the problem with the custom GPT is it's not available for free. You have to be a ChatGPT Plus user. How can I become fractional CTO? Ang dami niya na sinabi, di ba? So, I created this custom GPT. Very interesting kasi we lost our CTO. So, I just kind of like have the idea of why don't I create a virtual CTO in custom GPT? So, since our CTO is not around anymore, I can still ask, right? Actually, VP namin yun. Tapos ano. Pero parang CTO yung role niya. So, I created different custom GPTs here. I'll do this in one long stream. I can show all the plugins and GPTs that I saw. So, marami siyang, there's a lot of tools that you can use. There's even a way to diagram. Let's say, let's just stop this. Baka may mag-sponsor dyan ng YouTube's, may ads kasing YouTube, di ba? Meron mga ads eh. I just play my music via YouTube. So yan, no? You can even do diagrams, Franz. You can see. Mokoy, nandiyan ka pa ba? Patingin mo to. So meron siyang diagram. So create a sequence diagram explaining the internet. Try lang natin yan. Oh, may bug. Wow, did you just see that? Did you know that ChatGPT can do this? So the best thing is meron pa siyang mermaid. I think mermaid yata to. Ayan, oh. So codified yung ano niya. Codified the diagram is codified using mermaid. 'Di ba? So let's let it explain, like create a sequence diagram. Create a class diagram. And baka gagawa pa siya ng mga interface eh. 'Di ba? Pero ito, it's not for free eh. You have to pay the ChatGPT Plus. Yun yung problema, no? Kasi it's using GPT-4 at saka yung ano, yung plugins ba. Ito yung mga gusto ko ituro sa mga students and yung mga professionals who are using ChatGPT. No, like itong, let's say ito, no? So imagine this is a class diagram. So nakita nyo, there's different objects, no, classes. Pwede ka nga mag-create ng organizational chart. So this is what I do during my free time. Yan. Lagyan natin music to. Hindi ka mabore. Yan. Music na. So you see there's a ginawa na niya ginawa niya entity relationship diagram. So let's try to create a gawa tayo ng bagong chat. Sa sidebar ko ba to? To. Pwede ka rin gumawa ng mind map, for example. Say you want to create a mind map of what I need to learn as a web to be a front-end developer. Ganyan, no? Nakita nyo, there's a founder, CMO, CTO, CFO. All via chat. So, kunwari you have an idea, you want to create a mind map out of it. It can give you a starting point, basically. Ayan, no? Kita nyo yun. Zoom natin. Iba? Isn't that cool? Very nice, no? Alright, I think 10:30 we're gonna end the stream. Since I think some of you guys need to sleep also. Don't worry, I'm gonna stream again. I'll notify all the channels like LinkedIn, Facebook. Nandun ka na ba sa ano natin, McCoy? Sa Discord. Si Franz nandun na sa Discord yan. Ikaw ba to si Mark? Markoy. Si Kenty is there. Alright. Gusto ko talaga tong setup ng co-working natin. With the music and all. Sige, Mark. Pa-invite naman yung mga student PH na ano dito sa Discord natin. Minsan nahihiya din ako mag-post sa ibang group kasi baka sabihin nila nagse-self-promote ako eh. So, medyo nag-iingat din ako kasi alam mo na baka magalit sila sa akin, diba? Try mo gamitin yung ChatGPT or yung local LLMs na diniscuss natin. It will really help you, definitely. If you have any question like, I don't understand this code, just ask ChatGPT. Help me understand this code. Tapos, he will explain niya yung step by step. Pwede mo rin sabihin sa kanya na, turuan mo ako step by step. Tapos pag hindi mo naintindihan, just iterate, no? Just ask again, until you understand. Ganun din ako, no? Even if I'm like very, I'm already, like, I don't know, old developer. Lalo na ako, no? Kasi, minsan, I don't know, Franz, mas bata ka sa akin, so, sometimes I also cannot comprehend things fast enough. So, kailangan ko talaga ng AI to understand. Pero yun nga, medyo nababagalan na ako sa sarili ko kasi I don't know, I'm already 47, no? So, kumbaga sa ano, nag-i-slow down din yung utak mo, I think. And the energy is not there, no? Hindi katulad nung before when I was young, no? Oh, code, ganun, diba? Hindi na kasing sharp, Franz, no? I think. May programmer ako, super fast. He's like, he's a graduate of NUS. He's super fast, no? I really like his work. Mabilis. Mabilis mag-isip, mabilis mag-debug, ganun. Natatawa nga sa akin yung mga PM kasi sabi ko kung yung dati kong programmer gumagawa nito, saglit lang to. Kasi siya rin yung gumawa ng code. Ako parang it takes me hours to understand what is the issue. Pero yung ano, siguro like a few minutes lang, alam na niya kasi siya rin yung gumawa. Nandun na tayo sa point na we're in, we need to grow the next gen. Sila na bahala. That's true. That's why, I think yun na yung calling ko, even if it's hard for me. Kasi parang, although yeah, malaki sweldo, you know, I can buy what I want. But I think there's something lacking in terms of fulfillment. That's why I started yung streaming because I'm not an expert if you ask me. I don't consider myself an expert. I just probably know a lot that I could impart this to the younger generation. So I think that's my takeaway from what I've learned for the past, 24 years in the industry. Parang to give back. Pero syempre, my family also, I still need to support my family, so I still need to find some work that could sustain us. Tsaka Singapore is a very expensive country. Kung nandyan ako sa Philippines, I think baka pwede na ako mag-semi-retire. Pero dito, hindi pwede. So, yan yung... I think it's not drama or anything, but that's what I feel right now. Actually, before I left, kausap ko yung mga PMs namin. They told me, iba daw ako mag-isip. I don't know, maybe because I've been working for so long already. Pero ako feeling ko, like yung AI, no, there's still a lot to learn. So yung alam ko, I think it's not even a big part of what you need to learn. Siguro first mover lang, no, parang you use AI, then you kind of feel how to use it. Then you know it will benefit the others also. Let's say pwede kang gumamit ng AI to generate content. Para kumita ka, you can put it as whether it's a video or like an article or a blog post, no? Tapos pwede mo pagkakitaan. Parang gano'n. Siguro fractional CTO for AI. Pwede yan. Pwede tayo dyan siguro. Like kung ano technology yung gagamitin mo or paano ka mag-i-start, diba? Kasi ganun yung experience ko sa previous company ko. I tried to learn on my own first, tapos So I started, paano ba natin gagamitin? How do we use AI in our organization? Tapos I tried so many things. I used OpenAI. I tried Stable Diffusion, Midjourney. No, I kind of like think how to use it in our organization. Tapos nagkaroon ng need na we need to show we know AI. So I developed this Homer GPT. It's just using function calling basically. So ganon. I'll try to recreate the code kasi wala na sa akin yung code. Pero kaya ko naman ulitin siguro yun. So ano siya, feature ng OpenAI na you can call APIs based on the natural language, no? Na kino-convert niya into a JSON request, ganun. Interesting, maraming gusto mag-AI pero not many know what to do with it. Baka doon ka papasok. How to use AI in the overall engineering strategy. Correct yan, pre. I think, if you know Alan Tan and I think Joben, I'm not sure if you met him. Pero si Joben nasa academe na siya. Pero they're already starting AI. May malaking event dyan ng AI eh. Last, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I think nandyan na rin tayo sa AI. Pero sa akin, more of practical use ba? Kasi we can talk in organization, but how you use it for growing the business is a different story, diba? Sabi ko nga sa dati kong ano, you can use AI as a marketing tool. Tsaka hindi rin mahal yung AI. It's very cheap. Even OpenAI. It's just that what to do with it. Yun yung tanong. I think I saw one company. What they're doing is in their code pipeline. I mean, not in their code pipeline. They have this feature that they use AI to do code review. Okay yun, di ba? Code review. Imagine yung AI yung code review. Hindi na natin gagawin as leads. Di ba? Minsan mas magaling pa yung AI sa atin kasi walang bias yun. And talagang yung knowledge niya. Yung Code Rabbit. Code Rabbit. Yung akin Codium pero ibang spelling eh. Yung Codium kasi di ba parang Copilot. Codium.com pero walang E. Codium. Code Rabbit. Paano yun? Ini-inject mo yung code mo. Ganun. Oh, ito pala. Code Rabbit. Diba? Oh, that's cool. Nagka-comment sa GitHub PRs. Minsan pa nagmamadali yung mga PM namin. Hindi ko na rin masyado nare-review yung code. Kasi sabihin sa'yo, ikaw yung bottleneck, diba? And my question is, kung walang integration test, yung review is very superficial. Diba? Kasi ang code review, if you want to really do a real code review, kailangan mong patakbuhin. Diba? Hindi yung parang superficial. Pwede ka mag-review lang na, ito, baka maging null. No? Baka mag-crash, ganyan. Pero pwede na rin yung AI doon, like, or linters, no? Or yung mismong IDE lang. Sa Go lang kasi there's a problem. Yung nil is not detected by the IDE. Pero in JetBrains, I think it already detects now. So if it's nil, it's gonna crash your app. Parang Java din, di ba? Null pointer. Yeah, contract testing. Ano yan? Behavioral testing ba yan? Yung BDD. Mas madali pa nga siguro mag-work for hindi ka masyado gumagamit ng database. Kasi the more you're dependent sa database, it's hard to test. Pero may mga mocking na rin naman, di ba? Pero yung creation ng data, to create the data, I don't know, baka hindi lang namin siguro na-explore yung mocking na, I mean, not the mocking feature, but more on dun sa paano ko i-recreate yung data. We have an application that is kind of like just running behind the scenes. Parang automation workflow lang siya. Let's say someone sends a WhatsApp message, then we do the processing, then create records in the CRM, sa HubSpot, all those things. Like then send a WhatsApp message. So parang daming flows, tas asynchronous pa. That makes it more complicated. So, lahat naka-CDC. So, pag may insert dito sa table, pupulutin nung nagle-listen. We're using Supabase real-time to do that. So, listen, tapos it will send to another queue, then it will be processed, something like that.
I'm being asked this a lot recently.
Meant chat to ensure the service A can still communicate. In contract testing, it's as light as unit test, but it's executed on one side. If you build service A, then the contract test is executed. Oh, you build service B, then the contract test is executed against that. Okay, good night, Morkoy. See you in the next stream. Naka-follow ka naman, di ba? Thank you so much for staying. Good night. Tulungan mo ako sa StudevPH. Oya test containers. Actually, yung AI, pwede mo rin pang generate ng mock data. I think, naisip na rin siguro ng iba yun. Okay, I think let's end the stream at 10:45. Medyo na-extend tayo. No? Sabi ko 10 o'clock lang, tapos naging 10:30. Napapasarap ang kwento natin. Good night, everyone. Good night, Morkoy. Sige, Franz, let's catch up one time. Late na rin, so baka may gagawin ka din. So, yeah. Good night, sirs. Good night to everyone who is watching our 10 followers. Salamat pag-stay kahit na disconnect tayo. I will see you again. We do the engineering manager session next. So, e-heads. Abangan niyo yan. Baka ma-interview pa natin si Ellie. Pero hindi si Ellie Buendia. Alright, thank you guys. I think that's it. Good night. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Cheers, Franz. Cheers, Mokoy. Thanks. Salamat. Nice, G. G pa ba? Sige, pwede ako one game. Alright, salamat guys sa support. Thank you.